There are several types of wrist pin clips, commonly used by JE Pistons and other piston manufacturers. Wire locks, spiral locks, and true arc locks circlip type. We will be using wire locks, as they are considered the most secure method for wrist pin retention. You must use the wire lock supplied with your pistons, as the groove in the piston has been machined specifically for that clip. Wire locks must be run with matching full floating chamfered wrist pins. Together, the chamfered wrist pin applies force to the wire lock, securing the clip into the piston. There are various tools available to aid with wire lock installation, but if you don't have any, a small flat blade screwdriver is all you really need. Before the wire lock installation, inspect the pistons for burrs or damage, inside and around the wire lock groove. Clean the groove to make sure it is free of any debris that could prevent the wire lock from seating properly in the groove. Take care not to damage the piston. Never use pliers or any tool to pinch the wire locks. Always refer to the instructions provided with your pistons for installation. It is important to wear safety glasses when installing the wire lock. Keep your engine covered, as it is highly likely that you will launch at least one wire lock during this process, and you don't want it falling into your engine. If you do lose a clip, find it. If you manage to bend or otherwise damage a clip, replace it. Also, never reuse clips. We recommend purchasing spares just in case you damage one during installation. For those who haven't used wire locks before, they can be quite the challenge for novices to install properly. Be patient with yourself. Once you've installed a few clips, you'll be a pro.